Is it permitted in Islam to curse someone who has grievously wronged another person? Some people say that it is a pious virtue to forgive, but it is not incumbent. What is the right thing to do?
Is it allowed? Can I?
None of us could fully understand the question. Some parts were missing.
So the origin of the question is it permitted in Islam to curse someone
that is the word which I missed.
Who has wronged another person?
Right.
Some people say that it is a pious virtue to forgive, but it is not incumbent. What is the right thing to do?
You see, the Holy Quran emphasizes the role of forgiveness when it reforms. But that is a different issue altogether. This question applies to different situations. It applies to a situation where somebody has been so wronged by someone that he cannot just forget about it. In the sense of vengeance, because there is no question of any reform in such cases. That person may have died, may have gone somewhere else. So here is the case of a person who has been so wronged, so viciously wronged, that he simply cannot forget or forgive. Now, can he take his revenge by cursing such a man or not? This is the question. I believe, according to the Quran, he has a right to curse. And that right belongs to a sense of universal justice. So that right cannot be withdrawn from him, cannot be snatched away from him. But one can admonish him, try to forgive him, because if you forgive such a man, then Allah may forgive many of your faults and reward you, or some faults of yours may be transferred to the account of that person. So revenged you will be, or rewarded you will be. So why to curse at all? That is just an admonition, preaching, but no more. As far as the right goes, I believe the right of that person cannot be taken away from him.